this is the little bit of extra introduction for Algebra 2 summer class. You need to go watch the Algebra 1 one that I'm going to give you the link for, because it's pretty much exactly the same. The only difference is you will have an Algebra 2 book. So if you don't have an Algebra 2 book, and if you are taking the class for credit where you're doing all the homework, you're going to need it. Now, some of you are doing this just for a review. You really don't need the book if you're not going to do any problems. If you're going to practice working problems, you need the book. So I think you should get the book. But some of you are just going to be watching the videos to keep all the math fresh in your brain before you go off to college in the fall. Because after Algebra 2, you are ready, absolutely ready, for the college algebra class, and that's the one you need to take. I have had people try to skip college algebra and go straight into college pre-calculus. I absolutely don't recommend it, because there are things in college algebra you need to pick up. You need to learn how to work math fast, because they cram everything from 6th grade through the first 2/3 of Algebra 2 into one semester. So you need to learn how to work at that accelerated pace. The other thing is there are certainly formatting issues that you will learn in Algebra 1. In college algebra. It's not really new concepts, but a new way of doing some of these concepts. You're going to learn how to use these algebra charts with fraction word problems. You're going to learn how to substitute with you. You're going to learn how they want domain and range written, just things like that. So people have done it. They've gone straight from my Algebra 2 to pre-calculus and passed. But I want you to make A's. I want you to be confident and love math. So I think it's wise to have that really easy first semester of math, where everything that the teacher teaches, you think, I know that, I know this, I already did that in Algebra 2. That's great, I understand this. It'll give you that confidence you need to go, I can do college. College is easy. I'll be fine at college. All right. So you need to, the other thing is for Algebra 2, you do need to still have your geometry tools. Remember, you got them for geometry, but you still need your compass and your protractor, your TI-84 calculator, your graph paper, your ruler. All of those things are used in Algebra 2. So if you didn't take geometry with me and you're just jumping in for Algebra 2, let me show you what I'm talking about. You need something that looks like this, and the better one of these, that's compass and protractor, and this one you just go and it messes up with your hand as you're drawing circles. So you need the better one that has a screw right there, and you really want the best one you can get, because I had a bunch of kids buy ones that looked great. They had great reviews on Amazon. They were about $5 last year, and they were terrible. As soon as the kids started using them, the screw thing stripped. So they're a pain because they break, but you're going to need it. We'll be doing trig in Algebra 2, and we will be doing some things that overlap with the geometry. All right, I think that's it. Of course, you'll need your TI-84 graphing calculator, graph paper, and watch that Algebra 1 video introduction, but then that'll be the last one you share. From here on, we will start making the videos for Algebra 2. All right? Math is fun. See, I'm giving you messages. Math is fun. You're going to believe it.